Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Stock Analysis. In this video, we will be talking about ticker symbol CBAT for the company CBAK Energy Technology. So I will be showing you the price action on a weekly basis, daily basis, and also like why there is a potential for this particular company to break out, and also like how we can get some profit using some shares or maybe playing some options. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the like button. So anyway, so let's look at the chart. So I'm showing you currently the weekly chart, and you can see that stock was around like below $1, then it ran up to like $3, then some consolidation, then again a huge run up. I think after the earning it went up to like $11, maybe 10 50 11 whatever, is coming down, and you can see that the stock is again going up. So it's forming a U shape, and also you can see on a weekly chart it's making higher lows. So like each week you can see like it's going higher and higher. Within the week you can see a large volatility within the stock between like $8 to $6, but on a weekly basis the stock is going up. So if you purchase the share, then you can expect a pullback, and you can just average down, or you can just wait. But in the long run, I can see this stock is going up. And for the same thing, like if you're playing with option, normally it could be risky, and I'll go to option later. So if the weekly chart looks promising, then let's look back to daily chart here. Look at the daily chart, a beautiful setup. You can see that the stock went up to $11, came down, then again the stock is going up, and again you can see like how it's going up. You can see higher lows again. So that's a very good setup for this particular stock, and I see it's going up. And last Friday it went up to 12%, so there was a run up. We can see the big green bar, so it's all like bullish sign for this particular stock. If you do not know about this stock, I will just quickly go through what the company does. So they engage in the development, manufacture, and sale of lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. This is important. And also it has a connection with electric vehicle, light electric vehicle, and electric tools, electric storage, and so on. So basically they produce like lithium-ion rechargeable batteries, and it has a very good connection with EV. So if the EV market, the electric vehicle market is going up, then this stock has a good potential of going up as well. It can make some good partnership with some EV companies, and they can also run with the EV hype. So it has a good potential. If you want, you can see it's a Chinese company. You can see their website. I will not go through that website, and I will also show something that recently on January 11th they had a partnership with CBAK Motors to develop new battery cells. And probably you know about CBAK Motors because they work with NIO. We all know about NIO. So NIO and CBAK Motors, they work together. CBAK Motors produce NIO vehicles, and so probably CBAK jointly works with CBAK Motors. CBAK Motors works with NIO. So you see the connection, right? Maybe there could be some more partnership directly with NIO and CBAK, but anyway, like you see the point, right? And also there are many articles like how CBAK and NIO, they work together, and what is their plan. So you can see the connection, NIO, CBAK, and CBAT. Anyway, so let's look at the daily chart, and again this is a bull flag pattern. You can see like we went up, then forming that flag, and we are about to break out. So we also had similar thing before. We did not break out. Now again we are here. Possibly we can break out, or we can come down. Remember when I talked about the weekly chart, I showed you how the stock moves within the week. So it can break out Monday or Tuesday, or it can come back, it can consolidate, then it can go higher again. If you look at the MACD and the RSI, you see the RSI is pointing up and is currently 62. On the other hand, the MACD is still higher. It can go down, it can consolidate. So if you buy the share, just look at the price action. You can average down, or if you are playing with option, that's risky. I will jump to option later. So let's do some support and resistance, so we know how we should play this particular stock. So first of all, that's the very top. Then the other one, I think, yeah, so one, I see two, I see three, yeah, that's a good one. Let's draw at the bottom around here, I guess. Yeah, I think that's good. Then I see one more in this area, right? So it bounced back. It's a daily chart. If I move to 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart, it can give you a better idea, but you can see like this stock bounced back from this area and it's going up. Maybe I should move to 15-minute chart so we can see the price action better, right? I think something around here, right? So one hit, 1 2 3, couple of hits, yeah. Okay, so 1150 is the highest, then we have 877, then we have 743, then we have 651, and at the bottom we have 488. I think this stock will not come up to like 488, but if it comes back maybe 743 or 650, you can grab some share. Or if you see the stock is going up, once it breaks 877, I think it can go really hard. So how you should play? If you're buying some option, then this is risky. Why I say risky? Because if you look at the implied volatility, this is more than 200%. Anything above 80 is risky, right? And so how you can play this is very risky. So if you choose any strike like 7.5 or 10, you see the IV is high. The only thing I can suggest, if you really want to play with option for February 19th expiry date, the strike price for 5, you are paying the premium of 315, which means 5 plus 315 is 815, and you see like $8 and 815, the difference is very small, and also the delta is 92. It means if the stock price goes $1, then your option price, or you will gain $92. On the other hand, if you choose this, if you add these two, your break even will be more than $9. So if you want to play with option, go with this one. It's a little bit more expensive, but again, like you get the delta is really good, and also you see the IV is less compared to others. So that's the only one I would say. Otherwise, if you want to play with stock, you can wait. If it comes back, you can purchase something around 7.4, or if it comes down 6.5, you can wait. But overall the stock will go up. I see eventually it will go at least like up to 1150. So these are all my personal opinions. If you think if there is a potential for this increase, do your some own diligence, like look some other YouTube videos or look at the channel, their earning and everything, and make your own decision. End of the day, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm here to help and give you some guidance. Anyway, if you think this video is useful, again, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I also have a Facebook page and a Twitter page down in the description. You can add there, and I'm trying to build a community altogether. So anyway, my friends, I will bring more videos today. So take care, my friends, and have a wonderful weekend. Peace.